In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case the screen of your Nintendo Switch is frozen, and even if you press a button, nothing is happening. Even the home button sometimes doesn't change anything. So what do you need to do? Well, it's very easy. You're gonna take your Nintendo Switch, and the power button should be on the top left corner over here, and we'll need to keep it pressed until the screen goes completely dark. This takes around 8 seconds, so let's do it. I'm pressing on it and I'm waiting. I'm still pressing. No matter what happens on the screen, keep that power button pressed. And here we go, the screen is completely dark. I can lift my finger. Once this happened, you need to restart your Nintendo Switch, and to do this, you simply need to press again on that button until you see the Nintendo logo appearing on the display. So let me do it. I'm pressing on the power button. I see the Nintendo logo and I can now lift my finger. This is a simple restart. It will not delete anything. Here we go. The Switch is powered back on and you'll be able to use it again. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, but also comment down below if it worked. If you have other tricks, type them as well. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.